Good morning, students. We will do the activity number 5. This is a very interesting activity, very good activity. And this activity is related to the topic arithmetic progression that we already completed. Now here the objective is to verify the given sequence is an arithmetic progression by paper cutting and pasting method. Pre-request knowledge, what we want the knowledge for these, that is the meaning of sequence and arithmetic progression, that we already know. The topic we completed, so we know the sequence and the arithmetic progression we know already. Now what the material we want here, that is a square paper and pencil colors we want. So look here, this type square paper you will want, this type square paper you will take, and the pencil colors you will take, and we will complete this activity. First of all, we will take a sequence, that is first number is 1, then 2, then 4, then 7, then 11. Look here, with this sequence we will draw on a square paper. So you can first of all we take a sheet of square paper and using a pencil color the number of square represented by the first term, then color differently the number of squares represented by the second term, that is 2, and then we color the number of squares represented by the third term, and so on, and assume the figure to represent a part of a staircase and write your observation. So look here, table is, our sequence is 1, then 2, then 4, then 7, then 11. Okay, so the first we take a square that of height 1, then we take squares, 2 squares we will take, and then we take 4 squares, and then after we take 7 squares, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then we take 11 squares. Okay, and here we will check the difference of first and second, that is 1, and difference of second and fourth is 2, difference of 4 and 7 is 3, and difference of 7 and 11 is 4. So look here difference is not equal, means we can say this is not an AP, this is only a sequence. We will take a second sequence, that is 1 3 5 7 and 9. Take a sheet of square paper using a paper color and color the number of the squares represented by the first term, that is 1, and then using the pencil color differently the number of squares represented by the second term, that is 3, and then the color the number of squares represented by the third term, so on. Look here, assuming the figure to represent a part of staircase and write your observation. You will get the sequence is our 3, then comma 1, comma 3, comma 5, then comma 7, then comma 9. So first is our of 3, height is of 1, then second is of height 3, then third is for height 5, then for height 7, then for height 9. Now you will check the differences of the first and second term, that is 2, difference of second and third term, that is also 2, then difference of third and fourth is also 2, and difference of the fourth and fifth term is also 2. Look here, you can check check the observation. The difference between the first and the second term is 1, the difference between the second and third term is 2, then difference between the third and the fourth term is 3, then difference between the fourth and fifth term is 4. Here the difference between the adjoining the step is different in all the cases, so it is not a AP. You can check the observation. The difference between the first term and second term is 2. The difference between the second and third term is 2. The difference between the third and fourth term is 2. And difference between the fourth and fifth term is 2. So difference between the adjoining steps in the case mentioned above is 2. So this is an AP. We get the conclusion here. Conclusion is the difference between the conjugated terms of the sequence first is different in each case, hence sequence first is not an AP. And the difference second case is the difference between the conjugate terms of the sequence second is the same, hence the sequence second is an arithmetic progression. The difference between the two conjugate terms of an AP is constant. The difference is called common difference. So hope you understand these.